Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys your WhatsApp deleted messages, recover your WhatsApp chats, media, pictures and other things. Alright, there are two ways in which you can do this. The first one is to go to your settings on your Android phone and then scroll down for this special function. This special function is not available in all phones, but if you're lucky to see this, then you can get this done using this first method. But if not, you just have to be patient with me for the second method, because the second method is available for all phones and all devices you're using. So firstly, click on the special function and then choose social turbo. Once you click on this, you look for peak mode. Click on peak mode and then enable this peak mode. All right, then the next step is to test this. All right, so I just need to go to my WhatsApp. I'll use my WhatsApp to test my WhatsApp business. All right, okay, let's say how are you doing? How are you doing? Okay, this is already received, and then I'll go to my WhatsApp business and then maybe I will send something like a sticker, something like this. Okay, and I've received this. All right, so I will delete this one from here. Delete for everyone. Okay, and then I'll go to my other WhatsApp. As you can see, this one has been deleted, and I will delete this one as well. Okay, let me go and check if it has been deleted too. As you can see, this one has been deleted. So let's go back to our settings and check. Oh, as you can see, this one is ready. The messages are here. You can open it and then you read. Okay, so this happens for both personal chat and group chats. Then the next one is to download an app. This works on all phones. So I'll go to my store and then I will search for Dr. Phones. All right. So click on install and install this app. So I'm gonna pause this and continue once this has been downloaded. I just uninstalled this on my phone so I can walk you guys through the step-by-step guide on how to install this. So guys, I've successfully downloaded this. You can use this one to recover both your text, photo and other data. The first one can only be used to recover your text, although you'll see your messages, you'll see your pictures and media, but you won't be able to access it. All right, so let's open this and then click on agree. Then you can just cancel this here and you can skip all this. So this, you can, if you have the time, you can select what you're looking for. If not, you just click on skip at the top corner and then you cancel this ad here. All right, so what I downloaded this for is just to recover messages and media. So I'll click on this place, recover deleted messages. Okay, next and next, allow. So click on the first allow and then to lead it to your phone, so allow notification access and then storage access you allow. So to open your file storage you allow access, and then file access you're allowed to open your file storage, and then you just click on use this folder. Then the next one, battery optimization, allow. Now you click on next. So if you mute a chat or switch off the notifications, you won't be able to see deleted messages. So if you are currently watching the app, if the messages have been deleted before you install Dr. Phone, you won't be able to recover the messages. So any messages this will recover is messages that will be sent after installing this. All right, okay, so you click on next and then you enable the stuff you want to recover messages from. Mine will just be WhatsApp business and then the normal WhatsApp. So I don't think I need to recover any message from this ones. And then you can choose other apps that you want. If not, just click on done. Right, done. Okay, so this plus icon is to add other app. In case you change your mind, you just need to click on here and then click here, and then you'll be able to add other apps if you want. Now let's test this. I'll go back to my WhatsApp business. All right, I will type okay, maybe wow. Alright, so I've seen it. I'll click on this place and then I can decide to reply with hello or maybe hi, something like this, and then I'll wait for it to be delivered. Okay, it's been delivered. Okay, I will delete this one now. Okay, let me delete this one from here, deleted, and then I'll go straight to my WhatsApp business to delete the other one. As you can see, I deleted the hi, so delete the wow now. Delete for everyone. So let me check if it has been deleted on my WhatsApp. As you can see, deleted. Now I can go to Dr. Phones and then check. As you can see, wow. So this worked. So guys, if this really helped you in one way or the other, kindly support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing to your friends. Thank you, and see you all in my next tutorial. Alright, before I sign off, remember this is just for WhatsApp. So we send 2 messages. So if you want to see the one for business, you just need to switch to WhatsApp business and then you'll be able to see the message. Alright, so that goes for any other app you used. You can try out for pictures, it will work very well. So see you, and don't forget to like, share the video, and also subscribe.